In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Email Signature Generator. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature saved in HubSpot and ready for every message you send from the CRM. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account. At the top of the screen, click the small gear-shaped settings icon. That opens your personal settings, where HubSpot keeps tools that affect how your emails look and behave. In the settings menu, look for the email section within your user preferences and open it. This page holds your personal email options, and it's the place you'll return to whenever you want to update or switch signatures. Next, select Manage Email Signatures. Think of this as your signature library. You can create more than one version and choose the one that fits a specific audience or use case, like new outreach versus internal replies. Create a new signature by giving it a clear, descriptive name. Choose something you'll recognize later, such as standard, prospecting, or support. Good names make it easy to keep multiple versions organized. Now type the body of your signature in the editor. Include the essentials: your full name, job title, company, and primary contact details. Add your website, a scheduling link, or links to social profiles if they genuinely help recipients connect with you. Keep the design simple and readable. Avoid long paragraphs and oversized graphics. Use basic formatting to guide the eye. Make your name stand out, align elements neatly, and hyperlink text instead of pasting long URLs. If you add a logo or headshot, use a small, web-optimized image so emails will load quickly. Many teams also include a short legal disclaimer or compliance note when required. If that applies to you, keep it concise. Aim for 6 to 8 lines at most, with consistent separators so the signature looks polished on desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied with the layout and links, click Save. Your new signature is now stored in HubSpot and will be available when you compose emails from the CRM. If you created multiple signatures, you can return to the same area to switch the active one or make quick edits without starting over. That's it. Settings, email, manage email signatures, name it, write it, and save. Follow these steps and you'll maintain a professional, on-brand sign-off that's easy to update as your role, contact details, or branding evolve.